has. It's been a minute, but here I am. I'm going to show you guys how to replace the headlight bulbs on a 2012 Mercedes C300. And yeah, we're going to get straight into the video. I'm going to show you guys how the lights look before I even show you guys how to take it off. I think it's pretty simple, plug and play. But you guys take a look for yourself and go from there, okay? Alright guys, so some quick details here real quick on what exactly I'm doing. I'm not only replacing the headlight bulbs, I'm replacing them with a white light. Okay, so they're not gonna just be replaced with a regular light. I'm gonna be replacing with the white light, which I have already. I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it. As you can see, it's blue right there, but it comes out white, of course. So I'll show you here in a second once I turn on the car, but I just want you guys to see that I put the original part back in. Be patient when it comes to, you know, taking off the bulb here. It can be frustrating sometimes because you can't really see inside there. But I'll turn on the car, you guys will see how the difference, and we'll go from there, okay? Alright, we're gonna get nice and low here. See if you guys can see the difference. You see how orange it is right here, or yellow, and white right there. Alright, let's get straight into it, okay? Alright, so here's what you want to do. I have my flashlight there, because I want you guys to see where the wires are pointing. It's kind of hard to see, but these wires right here, they're pointing this way, okay? So when you're grabbing the component right here, like the wires, you want to turn it this way. You want to remember this position because then you're going to struggle to put it back in. Here we go. Here we go. This is how I took it out right here. I took it out in this motion, and then I turned it this way. Alright, so now to remove it right here, pull it out like this. It can be very tight depending on your vehicle, but they've probably been on there for a very long time, so just don't get frustrated. Keep wiggling at it, it'll eventually come off, okay? Yeah, there we go. Alright, there's only one way to put this on. There's a point right here, point right there. It goes straight on like this, okay? Not the opposite way, because then they'll stop it. It goes like this, okay? Just like that. I got these off Amazon, by the way, around $25, $27. There are probably some more brighter ones, I'm not sure. These are H7s, so it doesn't focus, but white light H7s. Yeah, apparently it's like 6K lighting or something like that. But anyway, I'm gonna put this back in. So remember the same position, just like this. Alright, we got that guy in there. With time, you'll eventually get it to pop in there. You just want to make sure it's really snug. Make sure it's nice and closed in the, you know, in the plug. Make sure it's very well on there. And remember, motion this way and then that way. I mean, depending on your vehicle might differ, but yeah, go from there. Alright guys, so here's the view on the headlight bulbs that we just replaced. I think it makes the car pop out a little bit more, in my opinion. I've done a few other things that are making the car pop a little bit more. There's not much yet, but you know, we're getting there little by little. I plasti dipped a little bit there in the front. I've changed multiple lights there. The only lights that I haven't changed is the high beams. I'm not sure that if that's even an option, but if that's an option, then you know, we'll come across it later, hopefully, or not. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions down below in the comments. I appreciate you guys watching this video, to be honest. And yeah, I'll leave a link down below with anything that I need to leave down there, like, you know, the headlight bulbs. I'll leave a link for that. And yeah, I believe that's it. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.